From the Red Sea, the rifting extends southward. Here, the East African rift system splits into two branches, an eastern and a western branch.
There's the eastern rift that runs more or less through central Kenya, and then the western rift is sort of running more or less on the border of several countries like Rwanda, Burundi, Uganda, and then a major part of that western part of the rift runs basically right through the border of Tanzania and the Congo, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and then between Tanzania and Zambia. And then it sort of becomes one single rift again when you get down to roughly Malawi. The rift sort of goes through Malawi and then into countries like Mozambique and Botswana.
The rifting process also created three microplates: the Victoria Plate, the Rovuma Plate, and the Luandro Plate. Along the rifts is a lot of volcanic activity. These forces are immensely powerful. They once formed Mount Kilimanjaro in the north of Tanzania. Today, it is the highest mountain in Africa. The east and west branches are very different. Mountain massives like Mount Kilimanjaro probably had a major influence on the climate. They act as a barrier for clouds. As a result, you can find dry landscapes and vast savannas in the east and rainforests and lakes in the west. But this is the heart of the East African rift system, the Afar region. Here, three tectonic plates meet: the Nubian or African plate, the Arab plate, and finally the Somali plate, which is currently emerging.
Basically, Somalia is rotating in a clockwise direction away from Nubia. So the result of that is that the motion are faster in the north, sort of roughly 0.5 centimeter per year.
Some researchers believe that a super plume is responsible for the tectonic changes right now. A mantle plume is an upwelling of hot rock material rising from deep in the Earth's mantle. They look like a scary hot mushroom. And super plumes are the same thing but huge, spreading over hundreds of kilometers.